Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix group chat not working. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to join any group chat on Instagram and your group chat is not working on Instagram, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys you need to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not, then guys you need to connect first, and guys you need to go back, and guys at second you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected with any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, maybe there is network problem, you need to reset your network settings from here, and guys after doing this you need to go back. After this guys, you need to check update, open your app store here, and here you need to search Instagram. After searching Instagram, you need to open your app, and guys you need to update your app, and guys after doing update, all the problems will be fixed that you are facing on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.